Next we have modern method of irrigation. This method, it helps us to use water more economically, and these are more effective method. They are more efficient compared to the traditional method. So the first one is sprinkler systems. So this system, it consists of a perpendicular pipe. It consists of a perpendicular pipe, and these pipes, they have a rotating nozzle on the top. So on the top they have a rotating nozzle, and these are then connected to the main pipelines at regular interval. With the help of pump, water is allowed to flow through this pipe under pressure. The pressure of the nozzle makes it makes the water to rotate, and the water is sprinkled on the crops. These waters are then sprinkled on the crops as if it is raining, and it is very useful method when the land is uneven, and it is very useful also when there is insufficient quantity of water. So there in those places this system is very helpful. Now another method of modern irrigation is drip system. So with the help of this system, irrigation is done drop by drop near the plant, so that only the part of the soil where the root grows is wetted. So here water is provided drop by drop near the root of the plant. So this method is very efficient, and this method is best suited for fruit plants, for gardens, and for trees. And due to drop by drop irrigation method, there is no wastage of water in the system, because this will provide water only where the root is. So where the root grows, only near that water is provided. So there is no wastage of water in this system. However, the irrigation through this system, it needs to be done more frequently, and this system is very useful in regions where availability of water is very poor. So there in those regions this system is again very helpful.